good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another pickup video, but it's okay. Today we're going to be talking about the Amazon pickups I did get and also how to improve your setup or upgrade anything that you got going on when it comes to YouTube or even streetwear niche that I have. I wanted to improve my setup and give you guys a better quality setup that I think is good and it's affordable. I wouldn't say it's completely cheap, but I think it will really help your YouTube videos just like mine, just because I don't have a really good camera and I don't really have a lot of space. So I really think this video is going to be informational for you guys so you can improve everything. So let's get right into the video. We're going to go ahead and talk about the lights first, and I'll show you guys the lights that I did pick up off of Amazon. I'll definitely be linking that down below in the description, so go check that out and get you guys a better lighting. But before we get into the lighting, I just want to let you guys know, when you do YouTube, these are things that I learned on my own that I didn't know when I first started, was that one, lighting is very key in your videos. Two, sound is also very key. Me, I mumble a lot in real life, and I also I'm not really outspoken or enthusiastic when I talk, so sound and lighting are gonna be your number two things that you really need. It doesn't really matter what your camera is at this point. If you have good lighting and good sound, that's gonna completely help your setup, and it's also gonna make your videos pop out and make it really more professional than what I did when I first started. We're gonna get right into the clips of the lighting that I did get from Amazon. Again, they're gonna be linked down below in the description if you guys wanna buy this light setup. It's not super expensive, it's not super cheap. It is affordable for anybody. I'm not that rich, so go check that out. We'll get right into it. Alright guys, so for the light setup that I did invest in, these are going to be the newer 660 LED lights. They actually come with these two bags right here. These are going to be for the light panel, so you guys can keep them safe and sound, and also to be on the go. If you're mobile, you can definitely take these on the go with you. It doesn't carry the light stands that hold the light panels. These are just for the light panels, so you're definitely going to need a case for your stands, or you can just hold the stands. But they come with these two cases, which is really cool. And we'll get right into the lights so I can actually show you the light itself. Alright guys, so for the 660 LED lights, they do come with two light stands. The light stands are adjustable, so if you guys needed to extend your lighting, or if you needed to make it lower, if you're doing product picks, they have adjustable knobs right here, so you guys can adjust it and have versatility when you're doing YouTube videos or product picks like I am. That's super helpful, so I have more versatility in my videos or for my products. Alright guys, so it does come with a plug-in wire that you plug into the wall so you guys can have your lighting. It's not wireless or anything, it is wired, but the wire is pretty long enough so you guys can have versatility when you need to move around and set your lights up. I thought that was super cool. These are pretty sturdy, they're pretty good for the price of $200 for two of them, so these are going to be really good when you do get this lighting setup. I highly suggest it. But we're gonna get right into the actual light panel, and I'll show you guys how to adjust your lighting and how to make your setup way better. Alright guys, so we're gonna look at the back of the light panel. So this is what you're gonna see when you get both of your 660 LED lights. Right here, you're wondering what this empty slot is. This is actually going to be for battery packs if you want to go wireless without the cord. This will definitely help you if you don't have anywhere to plug in your lights and you want to be outdoors or something like that. You can get battery packs to actually put right here so you guys can have a wireless setup. To turn on the whole light setup right here, this is going to be the on and off switch. You would just press it to the right to turn it on. And then these two knobs are going to be your main knobs when it comes to this lighting. One says yellow, one says white. That's basically going to be your color temperature if you want a more warm kind of lighting, you go with yellow and increase that. And if you want more of a professional indoor lighting, you would go with white. These are going to be not really like the normal color temperatures that like other lighting has, but these are super easy to use. Really great knobs, very self-explanatory. If you wanted a really bright light, you'd use the white lighting, and if you wanted a more warm, kind of darker tones, you'd use yellow. Especially if you're like filming at nighttime, you'd use the yellow lighting more. And then this cord right here is where you plug it in to get power from the wall to actually light your lights. And then yeah, that's the light. Alright guys, so this is the front of the light panel. These are going to have barn doors that you can adjust for your lighting. You can definitely have it out so you can have more of exposure for a bigger space, or you can have it more closed in so you guys can have a more direct lighting on your subject or product you're trying to give lighting to. I thought this was really cool. It gives it more versatility. Like I said in the beginning, this lighting is super versatile if you want to move your lights around and have different exposures when it comes to light. It does have a diffuser screen in front of the light bulbs. It's about 600 light bulbs, or 660 light bulbs, since it is a 660 LED newer light. It's going to have 660 light bulbs, and then the diffuser kind of diffuses the harshness of the lighting. If you do get a softbox, you guys can definitely make the harshness of the lighting way better if you do get a softbox, but I wanted to start off with this first before I do get into like softboxes and other lighting. I was also looking into getting like maybe another light to have like three lighting setup as other YouTubers do, but I think this is super cool. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys the actual lights in the next few clips. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and compare the two lights. So basically both of them will have the white lighting and the yellow lighting. We'll be showing you in these next few clips the white lighting getting brighter, and then you can also dim it. You can adjust these. You can also combine both of these lights if you wanted more of a mixed color temperature when it comes to the lighting. I love these LED lights just because it's super adjustable. You can play with it, get a more professional lighting or even more of a dimmer lighting, but this is the yellow light. Like I said, this is more of a warm tone if you're like recording during night, or if you're like just trying to have a different color shade of lighting. This is super cool. The barn doors, like I said, can give you more exposure or give it more of a direct light. So yep, that's the lights. So there you go guys, that's how you improve your lighting. Those are the light setup that I got for my video. I really love them. I think it's super versatile. I know a lot of people invest in ring lights and also just one lighting, but I got two so I can have versatility in my videos, and also for other things like product picks and other stuff that I got going on. So go check that out. It's about 200 bucks, I believe, on Amazon right now, so go check the link down below and definitely invest in lighting. It's super key. Alright, so we're going to get into the next part of the video. So this is going to be not improving your setup. This is just some other items that I did pick up for myself just to improve my videos and also improve everything that I got going on with reselling and creating my brand. As you can see right here, you've seen in the previous video and this video, we got this IKEA rack. I thought this was a nice touch just to display the clothes, and also I just needed a clothes rack because I don't have a lot of clothes and I can't fit them in the closet. So this clothing rack is super cheap. It's about 50 bucks. I wouldn't say it's crazy cheap, but it's super affordable. Just go to IKEA, you can get this for 50 bucks. Easy setup. You don't need any tools, so go check that out. And I'm going to show you guys in the next few clips about the garment steamer that we did get from Amazon. Check the link down below. If you're like me, I'm not really big on ironing. I think that's kind of primitive. No offense to anybody that uses the iron. Ironing is still great, but I like steaming my clothes. It just it's more quick, it's more efficient, and it does a lot of things like quicker than an iron would. You have to set up an iron and everything. With a steamer, you can just hang your clothes on the clothes rack and just steam all the clothes really fast. So in the next few clips, I'm going to show you guys the garment steamer that I did get from Amazon. guys, so that was the Garmin steamer that we showed you guys in the last few clips. Definitely invest in the Garmin steamer. Don't get one at like Walmart. I did get a handheld one from Walmart that didn't last. It literally like steamed one shirt for like 20 seconds and then it stopped working and then it goes again. So make sure you get one of the heavy duty steamers. So if you had to deal with what I had to deal with, it took me so much longer to steam clothes, and that's why I did post items on my web store super wrinkly, because it just took so much time just to steam with a handheld steamer. I was trying to be cheap about it. When it comes to these items, when it comes to clothing or sneakers, really invest in these products and really like take your time and like do your research and make sure you guys invest into the right things like I did, just because based on my trial and error, I had to wait maybe like another year to invest in a Garmin steamer because I was too stubborn to buy one. So don't be cheap about these things when it comes to setup or even trying to improve anything that you're doing when it comes to streetwear or YouTube. Invest in these things so you guys can have great quality content and also make all your workflow way easier than it should be. So as you can see in my hand, I have another Amazon package. In this package, as you can see, you probably don't know what this is at all. So I'm just gonna tell you guys, this is basically gonna be a t-shirt folder, because if you're like me, I worked in retail, I do have the skills to like fold shirts, but I want it to be crisp and perfect when I send you guys a package or any of my clothes. I want them to be perfect, just because sometimes when I fold things, they're like super half-assed and like it doesn't look as good as I want it to look. And like my girlfriend, she's like, damn, what kind of fold is that? So I think this is a great investment so I can have perfect crisp folds. I'll open it up right now. This is super cheap. This is like less than 20 bucks, so you can get this on Amazon. I'll link it down below just because this is something you should have if you're into streetwear, if you're selling clothes, if you have your own brand. If you're shipping out items or having like your inventory, just have it neat and organized. Just saves you a lot of time and it just makes your quality of your products look way better. So I got this t-shirt folder. It comes in this nice gift bag. It's actually from Box Legend. They give you a gift bag with your t-shirt folder, which is kind of cool. Like that's super random, but I think it's super cool that they gave me this. Let's go ahead and open it up. I did get it in the black colorway, just because I wanted everything to match. They have other colors if you want blue, green, some random colors, but I just stuck with black just because like I like neutral colors. So this t-shirt folder can fold t-shirts, hoodies, pants, whatever you need. This was a super great investment just because I do have an LV Select and then I do have a brand coming out. I think this is just going to help everything and make everything neat and organized. It does come with a user manual if you don't know how to use if it's not self-explanatory how to use this. You can look at this if you want, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, so you get this t-shirt folder. Here you go. Boom. So I'll probably show you guys a clip or so of how to use it so you guys can get a better example of how to use this thing and if it really does make crisp folds. But this is just a random pickup I wanted to show you guys just because it is going to help Las Vegas Select and my future brand so much. So go check that out, link down below.
Hey, this shit wavy.
Alright guys, I hope you guys liked all of those items. I really think all of those items were great investments when it comes to YouTube or even like having a resale page or having a brand. Most of those items are going to be from Amazon. Go check the link down below. I'll link them all for you guys. These are all affordable and they'll definitely help your setup. They'll definitely make your quality of anything that you're working on really improve. I think it improved so far in just like a couple of days that I've got it. Like I said, I got it from Amazon for number one. Amazon ships it super quick. I purchased these items like a couple of days ago and they came in the mail super quick and they gave me the best reviews and also gave me the best suggestions of what I'm looking for my budget and also what I'm going for when it comes to upgrading the setup. Like I said, if you guys want to improve your YouTube videos or improve your streetwear brand or whatever, make sure you invest in lighting and also invest in quality. If you invest in those things, everything is going to look great. People are going to actually watch your videos. People are going to actually buy stuff from you if you take the time to invest in these things. So go check that out. And if you haven't already, go follow me on all my social media. I'll have it down, also in the link down below. Follow you on Instagram, Twitter. Also go check out Las Vegas Select. We'll be releasing new items every other week or so. I've been trying to put more items for you guys at a great price. So definitely check those out. If you guys find any value in this video, make sure you smash that like button because it'll help me out in the long way. And comment down below if you liked any of these items or if you learned something today. Appreciate you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.